Hey space enthusiasts! When you think of our solar system, you might picture those majestic planets orbiting the sun, from the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy realm of Neptune. But nestled between Mars and Jupiter lies a region that's often overlooked, the Asteroid Belt. Some call it the solar system's rocky junkyard. But what if I told you it's more than just a pile of space debris? Let's travel about 329 million kilometers from the sun, where the Asteroid Belt resides. This region is teeming with millions of rocky fragments, some as tiny as pebbles, others stretching hundreds of kilometers across. Now, if you gathered all the material in the asteroid belt, you'd only get about 4% of the mass of the moon, so no, it's not dense enough to dodge asteroids like in. You could actually fly through it with almost no chance of collision. So, how did this rocky junkyard come to be? Billions of years ago, during the birth of the solar system, dust and gas began clumping together to form planets. But in this region, Jupiter's colossal gravity disrupted the process. This gravitational tug-of-war prevented the material from ever forming a planet. Instead, those pieces remained scattered, frozen in time, as remnants of a solar system that might have been. There are three main types of asteroids here: C-type, carbonaceous; the most common, dark and ancient S-type, silicaceous, made of silicate rocks and metals; and M-type, metallic, composed mostly of iron and nickel. These aren't just space rocks, they're time capsules holding clues to the early solar system. NASA and other space agencies have sent missions to study these asteroids. Remember the mission? It visited the two largest bodies in the belt, Vesta and Ceres. Ceres is particularly interesting because it's classified as a dwarf planet and might even have briny underground water. So, why do scientists care so much about these rocks? Well, they're like leftovers, pristine material from the formation of the planets. By studying them, scientists hope to uncover secrets about how Earth, and life itself, came to be. But there's another reason: threats. Some asteroids don't stay put in the belt. Collisions or gravitational nudges can send them hurtling towards Earth. That's why scientists closely track near-Earth objects, NEOs. Most will burn up in our atmosphere, but a few, like the one that likely wiped out the dinosaurs, can be catastrophic. But it's not all doom and gloom. Future asteroid mining could become a new industry. Rich in metals and minerals, these space rocks might one day fuel space colonies or provide resources that Earth desperately needs. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, beyond Mars lies a cosmic scrapyard filled with history, mystery, and perhaps our future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic content. Catch you later, fellow space explorers.